Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to integrate polls into your Slack channel. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you're logged into Slack, like so, and you need to visit Poly's website, which is poly.ai. So once you find yourself at their homepage, simply click on Try for free and select Slack. So Poly, in a nutshell, is basically a fun little plugin that you can have with your coworkers where you get to start polls, as the name suggests, and whatnot. And all you have to do really to use their features is give it permission. So to do that, let's hit allow, and it should be on Slack now. So let's actually go back to Slack and test it out. So to use this plugin really, all you have to do is type in /poll and hit enter. Here's where you get to have a lot of fun with it. There's a lot of creativity with how you can make your polls. It can be a multiple choice one, or it can be agree or disagree. And let me show you what I mean. Let's make one from scratch. And just for fun, in this instance, let's do one based on the TV show Invincible. So let's create the question. It's going to be who's the strongest Viltrumite? And here, as I've said before, there are like a bunch of question types that you can choose from. There's agree, disagree, 1 to 5, and what have you. But in this case, let's do multiple choice. And off the top of my head, there's 5 strong ones that I can think of. Those being Thrag, Omni Man, obviously everyone's favorite, Conquest, Invincible, and Thetis. So here's our poll, and you get to choose if you want it to have comments or allow multiple votes, or if you can allow the people in the same channel to add a bunch of choices of their own. But we're not. That's not a thing that we're gonna do now. So we're going to hit send, and here you get to choose what kind of this is basically the sharing permission it has, if other Slack channels can access it, or if it's like within your company only. But in this case, let's do public. So let's actually create the thing, and you're done. There's your poll. So in this case, I'm going to vote for Thrag because it's pretty obvious that he's the strongest one. So that's it. That's how you add polls to your Slack channel. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to show your support by subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.